Hey Divine Dolls, I'm back and today I will be doing a review video. But before we get into this video, please subscribe today if you haven't already. Like this video and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload. So let's get into this review. So, I have a package here from Girl. These are one of the most trendiest products out right now, but you need to shop with Girl. Their presentation is absolutely amazing, and it comes in this little cute mesh bag. So convenient and so girly. I love girly things, so cute. And along with this package, it shows you what you ordered. And it's a lovely personal note just for me. And I feel that whenever you write a customer a personalized note, it makes them feel like they're appreciated. And that's what it's all about. So let's see what the beads look like. Wow. So it's the tie around waist beads. These usually are for weight loss, and for me, I'm gonna definitely wear them for belly jewelry. So I love how they are the tie around version because you can track your size that way easier. Look at that. So pretty. So I'm going to try this one on because I think that purple is beautiful. So this is how it goes. Make sure that's nice and even. Okay. Make sure that's nice and even. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. It's cold. So if you're interested in ordering waist beads, I would definitely recommend Girl. I love the name. It's so cute and catchy. She has an Instagram and she has a website as well. Check her out. Her shipping is so fast and very wonderful customer service. Communication is amazing, and I feel that whenever you're able to communicate with your customer, it makes us feel so much more comfortable. So that's all for now. Catch you in my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.